I've been doing a lot of lava bases, and in this video, we're going to be doing a new way of making them. Hi everyone, this is OmniMing, and let's get to this!
So at first, I was thinking of another topic for the video, which was supposed to be just about doing lava bases. But then I realized I actually would like to try something different. You see, while I could just show how to make lava base, I could just try a new way. With marker, that's right. We'll be trying to make a lava base with marker. But before that, let's see how to make lava bases. First, I have to prime the base. So I'm going to use Army Painter's Brush On Primer. A versatile paint that is useful if you just want to get to your model without spraying priming them. This way, I could add the paint without fighting on the dark surfaces. The lava color will be from AK Interactive Paint Set, which has Dirty Yellow, Fluorescent Orange, and Dirty Red. All I have to do is keep adding and mixing the color until I see some results. So go crazy, just keep fixing. So here's what I've gotten. Next, to add varnish. I recommend gloss varnish for this round. Because lava is a liquid, it will be looking smooth and shiny. So some will ask, why use varnish? It is to protect the color from coming out when we add the crackling paint later. So the varnish is going to shield whatever any element is going to come across the painted area. How many varnish application you need is actually up to you. For me, I add 2 layers so I could get to see some glossy finishes. The varnish is now fully dried, time to add the crackling paint, which is Modern Earth from Citadel. But before that, we are adding white glue. Now why add white glue? So you see, when adding just crackling paint, when it dries, the crackle effect will split in small parts. But if you add white glue, what happens is that the white glue helps make the crackle not split in small parts, but split and spread out more, giving something that looks like a shattered glass. So after some drying, here's the outcome. It is what I need to show the molten ash on the floor where the fire slayers would walk on. And now, we're going to try the marker.
So yeah, I was actually browsing around online, just random things. And then later, it started to get me thinking about, remember that marker I did long time ago for the Ohu marker? Well, a lot of people actually say that it was the wrong marker because it's an alcoholic marker. And that does not blend in with the miniature. So, while browsing around, actually I stumbled upon one thing. This is an acrylic marker, 80 colors. Now that's a lot. And I've actually experimented a lot of this.
And the best part, the marker could work on dark surfaces. There's some goods and bads about using it. While this works on almost any surfaces, blending the markers can be tricky. I had to keep coloring the marker until I see results. So the mixing of this can be a little frustrating. But all I can say is that it's still possible. Now it's done. Instead of painting the gloss varnish, let's use lacquer spray. Let's not use lacquer spray.
Okay, so do not lacquer your marker unless you're doing it like an abstract. So the good thing is that it's lava based. Just imagine if you actually do it for your anime figures and stuff. Yeah, do not lacquer that.
Yeah, the marker came out spreading out and make some of the colors disappear. Nevertheless, they could still be used. So yeah, time to add the white glue first. Then the crackle paint again. And here's the outcome. I have to say, it actually does the job right. And the marker is kind of a good idea if you just want to try something new.
So yeah, at first I was actually afraid. But then later, it came up pretty dang well. So yeah, now my Auric Hearthguard is gonna have a good base to sit on. You'll be asking, why am I doing lava bases? Well, this army on parade is gonna be fire slayers. That's my take. And gonna bring back fire slayers, gonna make them beautiful. Let's make the army strong. Alright? So yeah, thank you everybody. This is Ming. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these content. I'll see you guys next time. Take care everybody. Bye bye.
This video is brought to you by Underground Hobby Shop. Go to Lazada, type Underground Hobby Shop for all your Warhammer and miniature needs.